welcome to the Senior Network. I'm Becky Davis, and I'm joined today by my friend and co-worker, Nona Story, the broker in charge at the Cypress of Hilton Head. Well, Nona, welcome. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
As always. And I know before we sat down, we started talking about all the projects that we have scheduled in the first quarter of 2025. One being, I guess the first one's going to be our safety net seminar that we've been doing for about 15 years.
Yeah, that's March 3rd. That's a Monday.
A third, and then we're
from 10:30 to 12:30, I believe.
Yeah, and also on the 10th.
And then March 10th, yeah.
And why don't you tell everyone what the seminars offer?
Well, I think one of the main reasons we do this is it gives folks a chance to understand how the Cypress operates and everything that goes into the workings of the Cypress, but also when you live in a continuing care community, you pay a monthly fee. So it's helpful to know, all the services that are included in that monthly fee. But then also, and I wish you would talk about this a little bit about just the fact that living in a continuing care community is a financial safety net.
Sure, yeah, right, yeah. Well, I'll be glad to talk about that, because we do pay one fee that covers all the services. As a Cypress community, we have purchasing power. I know that Mark Ponareri, our general partner, he does a great job explaining the myths and realities about living in a continuing care community. And one of those realities is that living in a continuing care community is cheaper than living in your home because you have these unexpected costs when you're in your own home. The roof leaks, the hot water heater goes out, the dishwasher breaks. Cost of eggs go up. That's a big topic now.
Yeah.
But here at the Cypress, we have purchasing, we have maintenance who does all the repairs, and we have, purchasing power through our, dining room and meals and things like that. So the benefits there. Also, too, the most unpredictable thing is healthcare costs. And at the Cypress, they know that they get 90 days prepaid nursing care plus the 35% discount. Let me tell you, a 35% discount will definitely hedge any inflation that you're looking at if you were staying in your own home, for sure. But you're right, it's a great opportunity for people to ask questions. We bring in the department head experts, like Michael Fink, our new executive director, Mark Ponareri, Monique. McCrae from the health center. So yeah, it's a good time for people. It's very informative. Very informative, and a good time to ask some really tough questions.
And then the fun thing is April 4th,
Friday,
we have our open house. That's fun. That's touring the different homes, talking to the members who are hosting in their homes, and
the members
it's just great.
Yeah, the members do all the talking.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. Their testimonies are fantastic. And also the great thing about the open house, it's just a great opportunity for people to get on the wait list because we don't have a lot of availability.
Right.
We don't have models, so they really get to see pretty much every model type on that day.
And I've got to brag a little bit.
I know what you're going to talk about. We got about a minute and a half left. We got to talk about snow again.
Yeah, so it snowed a couple months ago.
Like a couple weeks ago.
Well, I guess so.
Yeah.
But anyway,
seems like a couple months ago.
I was just so proud of the Cypress and the way everything was handled. You were in Mexico, so.
Well,
but anyway,
someone had to be.
But everyone pulled together. We got hotel rooms for the employees that would have to leave the island to go home.
Right.
And so they stayed in hotel rooms, those that wanted to.
Right.
And
or couldn't
our
leave.
Drivers would pick them up at their hotel and bring them to the Cypress so they could work their day.
Yep.
And it was just amazing. I mean, where else could you live? We started delivering all the meals on Tuesday, knowing that the storm was coming, and continued to do that through Sunday.
Sunday, right?
And I mean, how lucky are folks
just
that
the
live there?
commitment, and I always say devil's in the details.
Yes.
And the commitment of our staff and our members to our staff.
Yeah.
just remarkable.
It's a good story to tell.
Oh, it really is, and we got through it, and you know we're always prepared,
Here we
aren't
are.
we?
Yeah.
We're always prepared. Well, it's good to see you.
Thank you.
And thanks for coming in today, and thank you for watching the Senior Network.